How to work the touchless doorbell circuit. Working of touchless doorbell. IR transmitter. LED. The IR LED constantly emits invisible infrared light. This IR light travels forward from the transmitter. Normal condition. No hand present. When there is no object or hand near the sensor, the emitted IR light goes straight and does not reflect back to the receiver. The IR receiver, photodiode or phototransistor, receives little or no IR light. The transistor remains off. The buzzer remains off. Hand detection. When a hand or any object is placed near the IR sensor, the IR light hits the hand and reflects back. The IR receiver receives the reflected IR light. The amount of infrared light received increases, generating a small current in the infrared receiver. Triggering the transistor. The small current from the IR receiver is not enough to drive the buzzer directly. This small signal is fed to the base of the NPN transistor, like BC547. The transistor amplifies the current and acts as a switch. When the base current flows, the transistor turns on, allowing current to flow from collector to emitter. Activating the buzzer. The buzzer is connected in the collector circuit. When the transistor conducts, the buzzer gets full current and starts buzzing. The buzzer remains on as long as the hand stays near the sensor. When hand is removed, the reflected IR light reduces. The IR receiver stops conducting. The transistor turns off. The buzzer stops. That was the working of our circuit. Simple and easy to understand. How to make touchless doorbell on breadboard. For full video, click on link or visit to our channel at Book of Technical. We deliver good and productive video. All video available in Hindi, Marathi, and English. Subscribe and get new video. Welcome to Book of Technical. This video present by Inno91 Green Technologies.